Yes, it's all true. I took the fork that Trump offered. I am resigning from federal service after 13 years. I'm going to be retired in 1 week. Financial independence, retire early. It's always been a dream of mine. I wanted to hit it at 29, but at 34, finally getting there. And it took this catalyst to really do it. But I am so excited. I haven't been this excited in years, and I want to get into it. I've been getting asked questions about, how I'm able to do this. What I'm going to be doing. Am I getting another job? No. But I'll go into that. I'll go into health insurance, what the rules are happening. I still don't know everything, but, I'll go into what I think is going to happen in about a week. And yeah, it's exciting times. This is take 2. I don't know if you guys all saw the first video, but I had to take that down. Apparently there's some jealousy. Someone was complaining that I shouldn't be showing government emails. I was typing out I resign and I sent it, and I was just showing you all because I thought it was fun. After 13 years, finally quitting. It's been a great job. I really believe in the mission, as a civilian engineer, helping the warfighter. Really thought it's been a great career. No regrets there. And I went from 50,000 a year all the way to 147,000 a year. So hard to take off those golden handcuffs and say goodbye to that. But it's time. And I have so many dreams, so many goals. Discussing with my wife, because that was a big deal. We've been on my sole income for the last 10 years. And to say goodbye to that was a challenge for sure. But I have so many goals that I want to pursue, and there's been like no time. We have 5 kids from 9 years old to 1 years old, so she's overloaded. So we're gonna be a stay-at-home family, which has been a dream of ours. And so I'll be helping her out, but I also have time in the mornings to kind of work on my own dreams and use my own unique skill sets that I feel like I couldn't really use at work. I feel like I did a great job at work, always got performance awards and things like that. But, I think there's so much more of me that I can give, and I'm excited to do that in the best way I know how. Keep going with this YouTube channel, relaunch the podcast, speak at different venues about fire, strong families, great relationships, just living the best life you can. I patented a product last year, and I just haven't even been able to launch it. So I'm going to kickstart that. I'm going to, hopefully get on Shark Tank. That's the goal. But yeah, enough about that. Let me get into more of the practicalities of all this. So, that email went out to accept the fork in the road. That was, I replied to that on February 6th. February 7th, I got a reply saying, message received. More information will be coming. It's been 3 weeks now, 2 weeks. No information has come out. Some people are starting to get responses now. But yeah, at first I wasn't even thinking about it. But then, as time went on, and I was like, hey, this is what I've been waiting for. At 29, I wanted to retire. And I'm still here 5 years later. And I don't regret those, We got to go to Japan for an entire year. There's videos on that. We, work paid for that. And it was a great experience overall. And just, yeah. Anyway, it's been a great career. No regrets there. But there was just so much flexibility in this. And, if you look at our finances, we're pretty public with our finances. Our gross rent, I'm not even going to have to rely on the 4% rule. Our gross rent covers all our expenses. We have about $197,000 of recurring expenses. A lot of that's just mortgage and real estate. We got 11 doors in Bergen County, New Jersey, and that's where this $244,000 rental income comes in, and then all those expenses are calculated. And then with a budget, we have a budget, $1,200 a month in groceries, we got eating out, we got gas and maintenance of cars, travel budget, all that. We come out to just about breaking even. So we're not really going to be able to grow our assets, but we feel like we've done a pretty good job overall thus far with the amount of asset, multi-millionaires at this point. And a lot of that's in real estate and just, getting lucky. First house was a 4-family that we lived in 1 unit, rented out the other 3, lived for free. Every 2 years after that, we bought another property, and that's been working for us, and it's worked out so well. So anyway, that's a little bit about the finances. A lot of people talked about, well, what are you going to do about health insurance? I went on Affordable Care Act, healthcare.gov, got a quote. It's only going to be between $400 and $600 a month, which is what I'm paying now. So it shouldn't be that big a deal. The coverage looked pretty good. So I'm excited to do that. So that's a little bit about the finances, a little bit more about, what to expect. So I still have not received a contract from my agency, but the template that's on opm.gov, YouTube Police, this is all public. nothing nothing secretive here, so it's all online. You can Google all this. But they say you can expect to work until the end of this month, so in about a week, February 28th. You turn in all your government equipment, and you're kind of at that point, you're on leave until the end of September, so still getting the same pay, same benefits until the end of September. But you're on leave. You can get a second job, they said. You can do whatever you want. You can go on an extended vacation, whatever you want to do. So, I'm planning to pursue those things I shared about, my own dreams. And having that runway, allows us to build up our nest egg and, make sure things are working out well. I mean, if worse comes to worse, I don't want to get another W-2, but I guess I could if, I'm just failing at things and things aren't working out. But I'm not going to be bored. I'm going to be so busy. And just excited to be a stay-at-home family. I'm going to go on so much adventures. I want to home exchange. I want to get this house Airbnb ready, use it as an asset to get paid, so when we go on vacation, we'll rent this place out and hopefully make more money renting this place out than we spend on vacation. Just constantly be going on the road, exploring, world schooling our kids. That's the dream. So yeah, just excited about all that. But yeah, you can look through this contract, and I'm pretty excited about getting my own contract. Hopefully in the next week. They said it'll be by February 28th. I'll receive something. So looking forward to that. And I think that's about it. Just kind of excited overall. Haven't been this excited in years. And yeah, good times. But a lot of shaky times in the federal government. So much whispering going on. People getting fired. People getting let go. I don't know if you guys heard, but the whole 2 million civilians in the federal workforce are getting the question. Answer 5 things about what you did last week. So there's a lot of micromanaging going on and a lot of fear. But I don't know. I'm just excited. I'm excited for what's to come. Excited for all that. So that's it for now. I'll give you an update as soon as I, hear what's going on. And yeah, that's it for now. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a loyal subscriber, and I'll catch you in the next one. Godspeed.